Hello and welcome to another update video on Natgas. Today we'll take a look at the Natgas futures chart and we want to take a look at the relevant levels here. You can see that the price is caught in an ascending price channel, you could say. And in this channel, we are currently moving in the lower, you could say the lower section, the lower half of this trend channel. And for now, I'm watching if the market can generate a fifth wave to the upside to complete all 5 waves from the 2024 swing low, which formed more than a year ago at around $1.51. So we could get 5 waves up. If we get 5 waves to the upside, then this would be an ideal target range, probably I'd say in the region around 530 to 616 to complete Circle Wave 5. Circle Wave 5 should be an ABC structure. So what I'm tracking here is an ABC structure in wave 5 because we're dealing overall with a diagonal pattern. In an ABC structure, you always have to expect pullbacks along the way, expect the unexpected, and so on. And you can watch for very choppy price actions. You have to be prepared for them at least. So it's best to work with Fibonacci support levels so that we have some clear levels to watch that basically keep us safe. The nearest support area I can offer is between $3.09 and $3.44. So if we hold this area, at least we can make a case for higher prices in an ABC structure in what would be probably wave A, then a B wave pullback, and a C wave rally. That would give me 3 waves up to complete Circle Wave 5. However, this move up is not needed technically. We already have a 5-wave move as the white scenario shows. So I would not be surprised by further downside. Actually, the nanostructures currently suggest the market might go a little lower. What we're dealing with here is potentially a 5-wave move up. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 already done. This is basically the scenario in which you could already now get the wave 2 pullback. Would allow for this correction, the overall correction, to finish a little sooner rather than first having to finish wave 1 before the wave 2 starts. So in this scenario, then, we already completed wave 1. What I don't like is that 1, 2, 3, what would be the 4th wave was extremely short. The 4th wave of wave 1 was very weak, but it's a valid one. And in this scenario, we had an A wave down, potential B wave top, and we're now in the wave C, which could send us to $2.40. If we get there, this would be an ideal target, where the price could turn around and complete this wave 2 correction. The wave 2 again would be an ABC structure, and the C wave likely a 5-wave move to the downside. So that would be ideal. It is possible we've already started that C wave down. So for now, as long as we stay below resistance, I think white seems to be leading. Not necessarily because we've broken any support, but more because of nanostructures. Then these can hardly be trusted, I have to say. So this is a key spot. First of all, we're approaching the lower boundary line of the trend channel. And then we're approaching Fibonacci support, but we have 5 waves down on 2 wave degrees. So I'll share that with you. If we zoom in, what you can see is from this potential B wave top there on the 20th of June, we have 5 waves down in wave 1. We have 3 waves up in wave 2. And we do have another potential 5-wave move down in wave 1. So we could grind lower like this. This is 5 down, and we're now in a potential ABC bounce. So it's a 1-2-1-2 setup to the downside, which is only valid as long as the market stays below 375. So if we get above that level, that would indicate something more bullish is playing out short term. Obviously, the price already reacted to Fibonacci support, but for now we have 5 waves down, 3 waves up. I cannot ignore that. All that means is we are going to watch this resistance area. $3.57 is now reached. We have a small rejection from it already. 365. Ideally, if this is a wave 2, the price shouldn't break above 365. It can do. The invalidation point is 375. But above 365 already, probabilities start to shift towards something short-term more bullish. So yeah, I would say if we now see a strong rejection there and a break below the wave 1 low, that could indicate a 3rd wave down is unfolding. If we break above it, then this would put further weight onto the yellow count, basically. Bolster the bullish count, short-term bullish. Both counts are bullish, however, but in the white count, obviously a larger correction could be unfolding. So that's the update on Natgas. Hope you enjoyed it. In case you're looking for further updates for the S&P 500, for example, the Nasdaq, other indices, stocks, then check out our stocks membership. You can find the link in the description. Thanks so much. Bye-bye.